Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In the previous class, we have seen some concepts of quadrilateral like rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium and their areas. Look at one question here. Depending on quadrilateral, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find all its angles. All its angles. So this type of problems we have done already. What is given here? Ratio of angles. Ratio of angles is given 3:4:5:6. Okay, first what should you do? I told you already, sum of terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio. Sum of terms in the ratio equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 7, 18, right? Now, we know that we have angle sum property of a quadrilateral. We have the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees or 4 right angles, right? We know that. Now, first angle. You know this procedure. First angle is equal to, what is the first part here? 3 upon total parts how many? 18 into 360. So 18 twos. So 320s are 60. Second angle. You know this procedure. Second angle means what is the second term here? 4 upon 18 into 360. 18 twos. 420 is 8. Third angle. Third angle is, what is the third part there? Term 5 by 18 into 360. 18 20s. So 100. Fourth angle. What is the fourth term there? 6 upon 18 into, so 18 twos. 6 twos are, therefore the angles of a quadrilateral are 60, 80, 100 and 120 degrees. Clear? So whenever we are given the ratio of angles, this is the procedure we follow. Okay? For this we should understand the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of triangle? 180 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, right? See the next question. 3 angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:6:3. If the fourth angle is 100 degrees, if the fourth angle is 100 degrees, find the other 3 angles of the quadrilateral. Find the other 3 angles. Find the other three angles of a quadrant. Okay? Ratio of three angles is given, right? Ratio of three angles is given. How much? 4:6:3. Okay? Let the three angles be, I'll take 4x, 6x and 3x. Okay? 4x, 6x, 3x. If you take ratio x cancelled, so you will get 4:6:3 only, no problem. Three angles are there. What is the fourth angle there? It is given in the problem. Fourth angle equal to 100 degrees. We know that. What is the angle sum property? The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Now add all those. 4x plus 6x plus 3x plus fourth angle is what? 100 equal to 360. 4x plus 6x, 10x plus 3x, 13x equal to 360 minus 100. So 13x equal to 260. So x equal to 260 by 13. 13 twos. So x value how much we got? 20. So what are the angles? Now what should you do? 4x first. 4 into 20. That is 80. 6x. 6 into 20. 120. Next 3x. 3 into 20. How much? 60. Therefore, the required angles are 80, 120 and 60. That is the end of solution. Okay? Next, third question. Angles of a quadrilateral are 4x, 5 of x plus 2, 7x minus 20, 6 of x plus 3. Then find x, second, each angle of quadrilateral. Each angle of a quadrilateral. We are given 4 angles, right? Given angles are, what are the given angles here? 4x, 5 of x plus 2, 7x minus 20, 6 of x plus 3. We are given 4 angles. We know the angle sum property of quadrilateral. We have the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is how much? Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, right? So add them. 4x plus 5 of x plus 2 plus 7x minus 20 plus 6 of x plus 3 equal to 360. So 4x plus 5x plus 5 2s are 10, 7x minus 20, 6x, 6 3s are 18. So multiply inside. Now see the x terms here. 4x plus 5x, 9x. 9x plus 7x, 16x. Plus 6x, 22x. Constants you see. You have minus 20 plus 18 means minus 2 plus 10 means plus 8. 360 minus 8. So 22x equal to 352. Right? 352. Correct simplification. Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 8. Minus 8. So 352. Let me see. So 352 by 22. 11 2s. 11 3s. 11 2s. 2 1s. 2 6. So x value how much? 16. So we got x value how much here? 16. Now you can find each angle. Now first one is 4x. 4 into 16. 64. Okay? 64 degrees first angle. Second angle is 5 of x plus 2. 5 of x value 16 plus 2, 18. 5 8s are 40, 90. Next fourth angle, third angle 7x minus 20. 7 into 16. 112 minus 20. 92. Fourth angle is 6 into x plus 3. X value 16, 19. 19 6 are 114. Therefore, the required angles are, what are the angles there? 64, 90, 92, 114. If you add, you should get 360, right? 6 plus 4, 10, 2, 11, 20, 26, 3, right? Correct. We are getting 360 degrees, right? Fourth question. Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal. Three angles of a quadrilateral are equal if the fourth angle is if the fourth angle is 69 degrees, find the measure of equal angles. Find the measure of equal angles. Okay? Let the equal angles, three equal angles, let the equal angles be, I will take x, 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 because three angles of a quadrilateral are equal it seems. So I will take x, x, x. Fourth angle is how much? 69. So we have 4 angles there. We know that the sum of angles of a quadrilateral 360 degrees. So x plus x plus x plus 69 equal to how much? 360 degrees. Here 3x plus 69 equal to 360. 3x equal to 360 minus 69. So 3x equal to 360 minus 60, how much? 300 minus 9. 300 minus 9, 291. Right? So x equal to 291 upon 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 9. 99. Therefore, the measure of equal angles. So the measure of equal angles is 99, 99, 99. 99, 99, 99. 99 3s 291 plus 99 3s no 3 7s sorry 3 9s 27, so 21 will be there, 27 sorry 97, so 97 97 97 97 97 97 3s how much? 291, right? Plus 69 360. So solution is correct. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you.